Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to keep rugs on the carpet from moving. You've obviously seen these no-slip mats that you can buy at your local hardware store, local home improvement store. You can buy them in a big roll and then cut them to the size that you need, and these are excellent. But if you're in a high-traffic area, if your rug is in a high-traffic area, you're going to want to maybe give it a little more stability. If you're looking for a little bit of extra stability besides the no-slip mat, what you want to do is turn your rug over and grab some super glue or any kind of glue that has a rubbery feel to it after it's dried. Now remember, we're not super gluing your rug to your floor. You're going to put super glue around the edge of your rug, and I would say put a pretty thick line of it around the edge. Let it dry completely. And I would let the rug sit for a good 12 hours just to be absolutely positively sure that it is completely dry. And then you'll have a nice rubber barrier around the edge of your rug. This will give it extra stability, and it should keep your rug from moving. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you keep rugs on the carpet from slipping.